Advancia. This is a round effect and it can be played during the next 2 turns. So place face down in round effect during the opponent's next turn or your next turn. Choose any one card that was moved and place in allies. You may also play any of the movements shown on the selected card. So you basically have only 2 opportunities to play this card: when the opponent makes a move or during your next move. You can control yours, but you can also do it with the opponent. So we're going to play this face down, and the opponent is going to make his move or her move, and it's going to go ahead and take this 4 because that's going to send this -3 to me and then move this 13 to them. So I'm going to go ahead and reveal this because I can then, during that time, now so you know, any time during this turn I can reveal this, so it will also count for moved faction cards. But I want to do this now. So I'm going to actually take the card the -3 and make it, again, play it as a normal move. So I'm going to go ahead and move it to my loyalist because I can then say 1, 2. I can say 1, 2. And I can also do 1, 2. And I just turned the tables on him with Advancia, or her.
Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.